What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. And today is my first video where I am comparing actually two fantastic Bluetooth speaker. The first, which is on the left hand side, is a JBL Charge 4, and on the right hand side we have Anker SoundCore Motion Plus. Now within this video we're going to compare the key features which are offered by these both Bluetooth speaker, following with the sound performance, which will give you an idea that which speaker is good for you for the budget as well. Now just before we go ahead into the video, I would like to make a request. This is my first comparison video, and let me know what you think about it too, because your comment is very important to me. And if you are into all the comparison videos for the tech products, do let me know what type of products you would like me to compare against each other. Now let's go ahead with the comparison of both speakers in terms of their features, and all the features you would like to know about them are available on the back of the packaging itself. Let's start with the JBL Charge 4, where the first feature which we are talking about is the battery life. It comes with the 20 hours of playtime, and it will take you 4 hours to do a full charge. Whereas on the SoundCore Motion Plus you get 12 hours of playtime with a charge of 3 hours. Both of these Bluetooth speakers are IPX7 rated. You can see that right on the packaging. And if you'd like to see more detailed review on these products, I have left a link in the video description for both of them for you. Now Charge 4 speaker also have a fantastic feature, which is a power bank. So you can use your speaker to charge up your mobile phone. Whereas on the Motion Plus we do not have any feature like that at all. Now both speakers also got the wireless stereo pairing mode. But Charge 4 come with the JBL Connect Plus, where you can have hundreds of speakers connect together without any problem. And you can also have a true wireless using the app too. Now on Motion Plus speaker you also get the option for bass turn on and off, whereas on JBL Charge 4 you don't have anything. You just have a straightforward running bass all the time, fixed sound quality, no change whatsoever. Now here we have both of the speakers together. Now you can tell by the looks of it, the JBL Charge 4 come with the fabric body around it, which can be easily cleaned. Mark my word, it's the best thing you can have. Whereas on the Motion Plus, it's a totally different design kind of a regime going on, where you can see all the active passive radiators, tutors in front of it with a very fantastic mesh. The only thing which I don't like about is on the top, which is a matte finish black color, and it is more prone to get more marking as well. But in terms of controls, both of them are exactly the same, as you can tell by the look of it. You don't get any multifunctional button. You get a simple power on and off, volume control, play and pause. But on the Motion Plus, you get an extra button to turn on the bass or off if you want to. Motion Plus Bluetooth speaker is also capable to connect to two Bluetooth devices at the same time as well. That is the feature I like the most about it too. Whereas I did not notice any feature like that in a JBL Charge 4. I might have missed it, guys, but you can tell me in the comment section below that if they support it or not. In terms of charging, both speakers come with a USB-C type connectivity, and also offer 3.5mm auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices. Again, if you would like to see more detail about these both Bluetooth speaker, I will leave a review link in the video description. Both speakers have a dedicated app, where in the JBL Connect application, within the JBL Connect application, you get a very limited option. One is going to show you the status of your battery, and at the same time you can connect the party, where you can have 100 JBL speakers together, as well as the true wireless stereo. That's it, nothing else. Obviously the app will give you the option of upgrading the firmware, which is very simple and straightforward. You can add so many products of JBL in here by click of a button. And in Motion Plus you get a SoundCore application, which offers quite a lot, starting with the battery status, selection of equalizers, where you can have a multiple selection starting with the bass on, bass off, customization, original, classic, and so much more in there. Application also give you control over volume, power on and off, play the pause music, and you can also update the firmware of it as well. Very user friendly and straightforward kind of an application. Now both of these Bluetooth wireless speaker come with the latest version of Bluetooth version 5.0, and right on the JBL you also get the status indicator light for the battery. You don't get anything on the Motion Plus. Well guys, now it's time for the sound comparison. I'll be playing exactly same royalty free music on both of these Bluetooth speaker at the same volume, which will be the high volume all the time, which will give you an idea that how is the sound quality. And I would highly recommend to all of you, if you would like to judge the sound quality, you should wear the earphones, because that will tell you exactly how good is the sound coming out of them. I will be set my microphone towards the speakers now. Now first we are playing on the JBL Charge 4. Now the same music on Motion Plus. Now you have heard the audio quality comes out of these both Bluetooth speakers. You would be the judge of yourself, but if you want my opinion, it is a bit of mixed actually guys, but I would like to conclude on that part. Let's wait for that, I'll tell you on it. But there's another thing which I have noticed actually. On Motion Plus, you're also going to see the status indicator for your battery life on your mobile phone too, which I have not seen the same on a JBL Charge 4. But to be honest with you, why would you need it when you have it right on the speaker as well? Now undoubtedly there will be quite many things which I have not compared against between these two Bluetooth speaker, but you know that. Let me know in the comment section down below. I will do it in the next video for sure. Now the conclusion part and my opinion that which Bluetooth speaker out of these two I would recommend. Kind of a mixture, guys. Charge 4 come with a very fantastic name and a sound quality it offers, but you have to pay £129 in the UK, which will be about $140 I think in USA. Whereas this Motion Plus is £99 in UK, which will be $99 I suppose in the USA, I think so, at the time I made this video. Now the sound quality which comes out of these both, on JBL it is bassy, whereas on the Motion Plus, bass as well as the treble is fantastic and quite clear. Now the playtime we're gonna get out of this one is about 30 hours and this one is 20 hours. Well, there is a price difference. Now it's up to your own choice. You would like to use it for one full day, I would highly recommend to go with the SoundCore Motion Plus, not JBL 4. I'm sorry guys, but you know the idea, you got the point. Both speakers are fantastic. I would it's difficult guys. I would recommend both of them. If you got a budget, go for the JBL. If you got a limited budget, would like to have the similar kind of a quality, Motion Plus is for you. Now if you are interested in purchasing any one of these speaker, link would be available in the video description, or would you like to see the detailed review, link for that is also available in video description. That would be all from my side guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like that, hit the like button, subscribe button, and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you and see you later guys. Have a good time. Bye for now.